Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off two-step verification on Telegram. So let's jump right in. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Tap on the settings option from the bottom right corner of your screen. In the settings menu, tap on the privacy and security option. Here you can see the two-step verification option. Tap on it. Tap on the Set Additional Password option. Enter the password you prefer. Then re-enter it for confirmation. Tap on the Create Password button. You can add hints for your password if you want, or simply skip this step. Enter your email address to help recover your account if needed. Then tap on the Continue button. A verification code will be sent to your email. Simply enter the code you received to complete the process. And this is how you can turn on two-step verification on Telegram. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.